Did you know that cooking with an air fryer can reduce your oil usage by up to 80% compared to traditional deep frying methods? That's not just a minor change. It's a dramatic shift that can have a major impact on your health and your kitchen routine. Imagine preparing crispy golden fries or succulent chicken wings with just a tablespoon of oil or less, instead of the cups required for deep frying. Over time, this simple swap can help you cut hundreds of calories and eliminate unhealthy fats from your meals, all without sacrificing the flavors you love. Air frying has taken the culinary world by storm, quickly becoming a staple in homes around the globe. Its sleek countertop design and promise of healthier meals have made it a must-have appliance for busy families, health enthusiasts, and anyone looking to simplify their cooking. Unlike traditional frying, which submerges food in hot oil, air frying uses rapid hot air circulation to crisp up your favorite dishes. The result is food that's just as satisfying, sometimes even more so, but with a fraction of the fat and calories. Despite its popularity, there's still a lingering misconception that air frying can't deliver the same mouth-watering flavor and irresistible crunch as conventional frying. Some people worry that their beloved fried chicken or onion rings won't taste quite right, or that air-fried foods might be dry or lack that signature golden color. But in reality, with the right techniques and a dash of creativity, air frying can yield results that are every bit as delicious and often even more flavorful than their deep-fried counterparts. One of the keys to maximizing flavor in your air-fried dishes is using marinades and spices. Marinades not only infuse your food with vibrant tastes, but they also help keep meats and vegetables moist during cooking. Try soaking chicken in a blend of low-sodium soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a touch of honey before air frying. The hot air will caramelize the marinade, locking in flavor while creating a gorgeous golden crust. For potato wedges or sweet potato fries, toss them in olive oil, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of sea salt before popping them into the basket. The spices will bake right onto the surface, giving you that crave-worthy crunch and rich taste. Another often overlooked tip is the importance of preheating your air fryer. Just like an oven, starting with a hot chamber ensures even cooking and better caramelization, which means tastier food. Most air fryers reach temperature in just a few minutes, so take the extra step. Your taste buds will thank you. Preheating helps lock in moisture, develop that crispy exterior, and can even reduce overall cooking time. Don't be afraid to shake the basket or turn your food halfway through cooking. This simple action ensures that every side gets equal exposure to the hot air, resulting in uniform crispiness. For foods that tend to stick, like battered fish or cheese-stuffed appetizers, use a light spray of oil on the basket or on the food itself, just enough to aid browning without overwhelming the dish with fat. If you want to take your air frying game to the next level, experiment with layering flavors. Start by seasoning your ingredients, air fry until nearly done, then brush on a glaze, like barbecue sauce or teriyaki, and return to the fryer for a few final minutes. This technique creates a sticky, flavorful coating that rivals the best restaurant fare, all while keeping your meal light and healthy. Now, let's reveal a surprising air fryer recipe that transforms a classic fried dish into a guilt-free delight: air-fried chicken parmesan. Traditionally, chicken parmesan is breaded, fried, and smothered in cheese and sauce, resulting in a meal that's delicious but heavy on calories and saturated fat. With the air fryer, you can achieve that same crunchy exterior without deep frying. Simply dip chicken breasts in egg wash, coat in whole grain breadcrumbs mixed with Italian herbs, and air fry until golden and cooked through. Top with a spoonful of marinara and a sprinkle of mozzarella. Then return to the fryer for a few minutes to melt the cheese. The result? Crispy, juicy chicken parmesan with all the flavor and half the guilt. Serve it over zucchini noodles or a bed of fresh greens for an even lighter twist. Air fryers aren't just for savory dishes either. Try making cinnamon apple chips by thinly slicing apples, tossing them with cinnamon, and air frying until crisp. Or whip up a batch of homemade granola with oats, nuts, and honey. Air frying brings out the toasty flavors without the need for excess oil. To recap, air frying is a game-changing technique that offers a healthier alternative to traditional frying. By drastically reducing oil usage, it helps lower calories and unhealthy fats in your favorite foods. The misconception that air fryers can't match the taste or texture of deep-fried dishes is simply not true. With the right strategies, like using flavorful marinades, preheating your air fryer, shaking or flipping your food, and layering spices, you can enjoy meals that are crispy, juicy, and packed with taste. Air fryers make it easy to create healthier versions of beloved recipes, from chicken parmesan to crispy fries and even sweet treats. They cater to busy lifestyles by cutting cooking times and cleanup, and they're versatile enough to handle everything from snacks to full dinners. Whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to discover. Creative recipes, inventive techniques, and bold flavors that keep your meals exciting and nutritious. So, if you're looking to make a positive change in your kitchen, consider giving air frying a try. Your heart, waistline, and taste buds will all thank you. And if you enjoyed these tips and want to learn more about healthy cooking, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest recipes, hacks, and inspiration to keep your meals fresh and delicious. Happy cooking!